chapter 6 verse 8. Okay. Ibigay dito sa part na to, sensya na kami medyo natagano. So, Mikas, no? O Nietzsche. What does the Lord require of you? No? So, ano ba yung ni-require ni Lord sa atin? Diba? To act justly and to love. No? Ito yung action at yung pag-ibig and mercy, yung habag, and to walk humbly. No? Yung paglakad na ipapakumaba with your God. No? Diba? No. What does the Lord require of you? Ano ba yung ni-require, Lord? And dito, to act justly and